first evening in Jakarta, our host swings by, picks us up, and escorts us through some of the most dense traffic I've ever been in. I cannot believe the amount of scooters on the road. We arrive at a place called Lara Djong Grang. It's a restaurant named after an old Indonesian folk tale about a princess who was turned to stone. Now this restaurant is unlike any other place I've ever been. It's got different rooms, some for bars, some for dining, some for just lounging, but it's decorated like it's a museum. The visuals are phenomenal. This place already knocked me out and we haven't even sat down to eat yet. So after I was done exploring, I made my way towards the private dining room which our host had reserved for the evening. There was around 12 of us attending and it seated us very comfortably. For our traditional Indonesian meal, we had a wide variety of satay, Indonesian salad, white rice, and of course some local beer to wash it all down with. The food was delicious, it was a really great group of people, and it was a spectacular way for me to spend my first night in Jakarta.
Money, hey, cash rules everything around me. Cream, get the money, dollar bill, yeah. yeah. Hidup sulit, pengen hujan duit, gaji pelit, pengen hujan duit, utang lilit.
After a couple of hours, we come to what appears to be a small village located in the hills north of Bandung. And it turns out this place is actually a restaurant called Kampung Daun, which translated means Village of Leaves. Hi there, we're in Indonesia, just outside of Jakarta, about 2 hours in Bandung.
Yeah, Bandung.
Hendra here is taking us through.
Hi.
So Hendra, tell me about this place. It looks like its own little resort area.
Yes, you're absolutely right. We are about in the middle of the kind of forest, bamboo forest. And you know, Bandung is the capital city of the West Java. You know, located about 100 miles from Jakarta.
In place of sit-down tables are little huts that you share with your group while dining.
Right. Right. That's it.
Right. We were in store for another great traditional Indonesian meal of fresh fish, satay, white rice, fresh vegetables. What was really great is when we were done eating, we could just kick back, relax, and enjoy the scenery. We hopped back in our Toyota Alphard G, and we are off to our next destination. How you doing?
Hello.
We're at an actual active volcano, the Tangkuban Perahu. Am I saying this right?
Correct.
Yeah.
Tangkuban Perahu.
Tangkuban Perahu, yeah.
Tangkuban Perahu.
Yeah.
Pretty crazy,
Volcano.
awesome.
Yeah.
Still smoking.
Yeah.
The last time the Tangkuban Perahu erupted was back in 1986. Now along the edge of the crater, it's sprinkled with vendors who sell not only trinkets, but also eggs that were boiled in the water of the crater.
Masa berlalu, zaman berubah, dia berubah, mereka berubah, orang berubah, semua dah berubah, tapi aku masih hitam. Masa berlalu, zaman berubah, dia berubah.